Hello, everyone. This is Miss Welch coming at you, well, not live anymore, but from my couch. And I'm here to tell you about your semester 1 project that you guys are going to be working on. So, your project, you're going to show what you learned in each of our individual units by creating a one-pager. A one-pager is simply how it sounds. It's a one-page document that you guys are going to create, but it's not an essay, it's not a bunch of short questions. It's really a chance for you to get creative within the parameters that we've set. So the first thing you're going to do is create a planning document based off of these requirements. For one, you're going to have to include a title, clearly that it's a semester 1 one-pager, somewhere on this page. You need clearly labeled sections for each unit, so you should have 3 different sections. And then when we've asked you to write, you need to make sure that you are writing in complete sentences. You know, those things that start with capital letters, ends with period, and expresses one complete thought. Yeah, those things. You need to write in those. And then you need to have clear labels and headings. Basically, following this is that I need to be able to pick up what you're putting down. For Unit 1, you guys are going to have to figure out the theme of our unit. Hint, it's in the title. And give some sort of visual representation of what that means. And then you're going to choose either War of the Worlds or Cold Equations. Those are the 2 stories we read in Unit 1. And you're going to complete the following idea. You're going to tell me what the central idea is. You're going to provide a brief summary and include at least 1 citation. So that's when you're going to go back into the story and pull out a quote to support your summary or central idea. Yeah, guys, it's going to be the central idea. Why, Miss Welch? Because your summaries don't need evidence. Requirements for Unit 2. So this is where you guys are going to dive into the book that you read. You're going to put the title and the author. You're going to choose a visual representation of the book. So you're not just going to slap the cover on there and be done with it. You're going to choose like a symbolic representation or create a scene from the book. You're going to determine what was the theme of your book, what was the major conflict, and describe what your main character was like. All of these things we already did through our Unit 2 assignments. And for Unit 3, you guys are going to be required to come up with 3 examples of different types of figurative language. It can't just be 3 similes and you're done. It's got to be a simile, metaphor, personification, allusion. So 3 different types. By the way, you guys are all stars at creating figurative language. I've never laughed so hard grading them, so this is going to be fun for us. You are going to define equality in your own words. You're going to research another civil rights leader besides Martin Luther King Jr. or an activist, and explain how that image represents that time period. And you've got questions that you can answer to explain that right now. And then you're going to use 2 out of your 5 rescued words in complete sentences. You guys are going to just plan out what you're going to be doing on this planning document on Monday. And then by Tuesday, Ms. Welch is going to have planned how you guys are going to create this, either digitally or physically. I haven't decided yet. But this is your chance to have fun, get a little creative. You are allowed to collaborate, that's my pizza, with your classmates while planning, but your final project itself should be unique. And with that, if you have any questions, you guys know that you can send me an email, send me a Google Hangout message, and I will get back to you. All right. Have a great day, guys, and I can't wait to see you on the other side.